And drawing the breath in, raise your bodies. A languor comes to the bodies. Now it is time to be aware. Step up, stand up. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Raise your bodies tall. Stand on your feet. Flex your spine. Feel the spine. If you are seated, then sit as straight as possible. Be aware of the spine. Bring the vibration in. Bring the vibratory waters, sprays. Bring the vibrations in your space in. The smoke, the light, the incense. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. The violet flame is the gift of this age. Transmutation is the gift of this age. It's so important for you to understand this with your minds as well as with your hearts. Your hearts are opening and understanding that the experiences that you have of disappointment, of disillusionment, of depression, of anxiety, of fear, these experiences that you have are the experiences that you are transmutating for yourself and for others. Transmutation. Draw the energy of the violet flame into the body. Open your arms. Hold your palms out. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. I am with you. Open your arms and spread your heart. I am Saint Germain. Draw the joy and light into your bodies. With you, I am here, I remain, I am Saint Germain. I am the guardian of this age. I bring the violet ray in, connecting to the silver ray. I bring the violet ray in, bringing that ray of energy. As Lord Sananda has moved into the vibration of unconditional love for the planet and bringing the rose ray or the pink ray along with the silver ray of the Christ consciousness, I bring the violet ray, the amethyst ray. And together they make the ruby violet ray. They make the vibration of love and compassion that the Lady Kuan Yin brings, that those beings of light, those masters who are on your planet now, and indeed there are many living masters. There are many living masters. As Lord Sananda spoke, he was a metaphor for all those who sacrificed, all those who martyred, all those who opened the portals of brotherly love, sisterly love, of love and acceptance of one another. All those who brought that in, unconditional love to the vibration planet. Same, I am here with hundreds of thousands of others, with you, bringing the transformational energy to the planet. You are transforming. You are the masters that have come to transform the energy of light. You are transforming. I am that I am, and I am. I am. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. See the six-pointed star. See the violet flame. See the purple ray, the amethyst ray. Feel that flame in your belly. Imagine a threefold violet flame existing in your belly, curving around the pelvic, curving around up from the pelvic floor, coming up with the flames towards the hips and the navel. A flame towards the right hip, the left hip, a flame towards the navel. Curl it up and feel that violet energy. Draw it into the body with your breath now. Breathe it in and tone 3 times while you activate the violet flame in the belly with the dominant hand over the belly, rubbing counterclockwise, bringing that transformational flame into your own belly, into your own system, into your own second chakra. I am Saint Germain. Gently rub the belly and know transformation is there for old pain, for old sorrow, for old emotion, for the inner child. Feel it giggling, laughing, coming forward with the energy of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Bringing it in, bringing the joy in, bringing the vibration in. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. And as you draw that energy into your body, shake out your shoulders a little. Imagine the flame sitting on the very top of that flame, bouncing, again, the curved bottom of the flame, bouncing on the points of light. Imagine that flame in the solar plexus, based in the solar plexus, and beaming up into the heart. The right side, the right tip of the threefold flame comes up to the compassion center on the right side of the heart, the left side coming up to the left, and the main central flame bursting in your heart. I am Saint Germain, tone 3 times, activating the violet flame in your heart tonight. The new world is born. The new world is born. It is here. The golden age is here. As you step up your frequency vibration, as you move into this ascension portal, you will understand that you are in the new earth, and you are manifesting that new earth into the third dimensional, fourth dimensional world. By your peace, by your harmony, by your understanding of it, by your joy. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Remember, you will move back and forth through the dimensions. You will feel the shifts. Just as you blink, just as you breathe in and out, and there's that moment between the expansion and contraction of your breath, there's that moment in the other reality. That split second of a moment is the same moment that you move in and out of the other dimensions. You are able to stay in them longer. You are able to be at peace longer. You are able to be less downtrodden by burdens, by sorrows, by blocks. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Celebrate, celebrate. I am Saint Germain. As the flame builds from the heart, based in the solar plexus and bursting in the heart, feel it come up into the throat, shooting through the column of your throat as if it was a chimney, shooting through the column of the throat as if it was a flue, drawing it up. With your breath, adding the oxygen to that flame, you'll draw it right up, bursting through the third eye and out the crown. I am Saint Germain. 3 tones, now palms open to receive on either side of the heart, imagining small violet flames dancing in your palm chakras, holding them up to the light. 3 tones, feel it burst through the crown of your head tonight. Oh.